Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. If you are using WhatsApp on your laptop and you keep seeing the message saying waiting for this message, don't worry, your account is not hacked and your chats are not lost. This problem usually happens when WhatsApp on your laptop is not syncing properly with your phone. WhatsApp Web and WhatsApp Desktop both depend on background services to stay connected. Sometimes, because of internet changes, sleep mode, or app glitches, the WhatsApp background process gets stuck. When this happens, messages stop loading and you see the waiting message error. Now let me show you a simple and effective fix. First, make sure WhatsApp is open on your laptop. Now press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete buttons at the same time. From the menu, open Task Manager. Once Task Manager opens, tap on the Processes tab. Scroll down and look carefully for WhatsApp. You might see more than one WhatsApp process running. Now right-click on WhatsApp. Tap on End Task. This will completely close WhatsApp and stop all its background activity. This step is important because simply closing the app window does not fully stop it. After ending the task, wait for a few seconds. Now open WhatsApp again on your laptop. Let it reload properly. Make sure your phone is connected to the internet as well. In most cases, you will immediately see your messages loading and syncing again. The waiting for this message problem should now be fixed. If the issue still happens, make sure WhatsApp is updated on both phone and laptop. Also avoid using battery saver or sleep mode while WhatsApp is open on laptop. If this video helped you, give it a like. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more WhatsApp fixes and laptop solutions.